Okay, 9a. Express 4x squared negative 12x plus 13 in the form of 2x plus a squared plus b, where a and b are constant. Okay, so first of all, we need to open this part. Yeah, that is the fastest way for me. Okay, so you open this first. Maybe just a note from me is that 2x plus a squared is not the same as 4x squared plus a squared. Okay, a lot of students make this mistake. Okay, be careful with that. 2x plus a squared means is bracket 2x plus a times bracket 2x plus a. Okay, now if I open this will become 4x squared plus 4ax plus a squared plus b. So that is equals to 4x squared minus 12x plus 13. So in this case, okay, so we just have to compare the left and right hand side. So 4x squared, we can just ignore. We will be focusing on the 4ax and negative 12x first. So at the left hand side, we have 4ax. And the right hand side, we have negative 12x. So why do we choose this? Because on the left hand side, there is only one variable that contains x, which is 4a. On the right hand side, we only have one that contains x, which is negative 12. Yeah, the coefficient will be negative 12. So the coefficient of 4a would be equals to negative 12. So a would be negative 3. Okay, that is for a. And the second part, the term independent of x. On the left hand side, we have a squared plus b. On the right hand side, we have 13. So here we have 9 plus b equals to 13. So the b would be 4. Okay, so the final answer would be 2x negative 3 squared plus 4. Okay, that is for 9a. Now for 9b, given that, okay, the function f is defined by obviously the function that we have just now. X between p and q, where p and q are constant, given blah blah blah. And the function g is defined by gx. G of x is this for x less than 8. Okay, so if we are looking at the composite function gf, okay, so the f of x would become the input. Okay, so in this case, it said that the input must be less than 8. So I can assume that f of x must be less than 8. Okay, then from here, I just input, okay, the one that we did just now, which is the completed square form. Is easier that way. Okay, I just find the root, the final portion first. Okay, the final answer first. Negative 3 equals 2, and 2x equals to 3 plus minus 2. Okay, and then the x would be divided by 2. Okay, so since we want this region, yeah, the negative region, so the x must be in between 3 plus 2 divided by 2 and 3 minus 2 divided by 2. So the x would be in between half and 5 over 2. Okay, okay, so that means the p here, because it said that the x is between p and q, right? So the p would be half and the q would be 5 over 2 or 2 and half. Okay, that is it for b. And then for C, g f of x, okay, it's quite simple for this. G f of x, we are looking at 3f of x plus 1. So that is 3 open bracket 4x squared minus 12x plus 13 plus 1. So we have 12x squared minus 36x plus 40. Okay? And then find an expression of inverse hx. Remember, for quadratic equation like this, okay, quadratic expression like this, please use completed square form when you want to find the inverse. This is very important. Don't try to find the inverse from the main function directly without completing square, okay, because why, it is going to be very confusing. Okay, so we have the completed square from 2x negative 3 square plus 4 equals to y. So flip the x and y. We have 2y minus 3 square plus 4 equals to x. So 2y negative 3 square equals to x minus 4. And then 2y negative 3 equals to positive negative square root of x negative 4. So 2y equals to 3 positive negative square root of x minus 4. And then the y would be 3 over 2 x negative 4 over 2. The question is, which one are we looking for? Is it the positive negative, or just the positive, or just the negative? So we back on this. X is less than 0. So we have the domain of the main function. That would be the range of the inverse function. So in this case, it's less than 0. So the final answer would be y equals to 3 over 2 minus square root of x negative 4 divided by 2. So this is the final answer. Okay, that is it for number 9.